Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can check the maximum storage size of your cloud backup on iDrive. So let us get started. So guys, let's assume you use the iDrive cloud backup feature to backup files and folders from your device here to your iDrive cloud backup. This is how you can check how much of that storage you have still left in your cloud backup. So what you want to do is head over to iDrive.com, of course, log into your account. And for a cloud backup, guys, what you'll need to do is simply click into my account here to the left. Wait for it to finish loading. And there you go. Here in your account summary, guys, you will see, for instance, your profile details and your preferences and so on and so forth. And here to the right, you will see how much cloud backup space you're already using or how much of it is being used. As you can see, in this case here, it's 0 because I haven't backed up anything from my device yet. But you may see, for example, a different number here, like 5, 10, 50%, and so on and so forth. You may refresh this by clicking into this button. And below, guys, you will see the maximum storage size, which in this case here is 10 GB, depending, of course, on your membership status. And that's basically it. You may also check the cloud drive storage, which is not the same as the backup space, because you know iDrive features two different storages, like your cloud backup and your cloud drive, where you can manually upload files, and the cloud backup features files and folders you automatically backup from your device from specific folders. So you may check the cloud drive storage below. As you can see, I have added already a bunch of files and folders to it, and it features the same maximum storage size of 10 GB. So that's basically it, guys. That's how you check the maximum cloud backup size on iDrive. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.